Hello, everybody. Welcome back to English Learn and Speak, the podcast where learning English is fun, simple, and totally real life. I'm your guy, Jason, and today we're going to talk about how you can improve your English in just 20 minutes every day. Yeah, only 20 minutes. Like, come on, you spend more time watching cat videos, right?
Haha, true. Hey guys, I'm Julia, your English buddy and your personal hype queen. And listen, you don't need long study hours. You don't need big grammar books. You don't need a private teacher. You need something simple, short, and real.
Facts. So here's a question. What if 20 minutes every day could change your English forever?
Sounds crazy, right? But it works. And today, we'll show you exactly how to use those 20 minutes. Like a boss.
All right, let's keep it real. Most people say, I don't have time to learn English. Bruh, 20 minutes is nothing. You have 20 minutes for Instagram. You have 20 minutes for TikTok. You have 20 minutes to talk to your dog.
Exactly. So why not use 20 minutes for your brain? English doesn't grow in one big day like magic. It grows slowly, every day, little by little.
Like working out. You don't go to the gym one time and come out looking like Thor, right?
No way. But if you exercise a little every day, boom, results.
Same with English. Small time plus every day equals big improvement.
Let's say you learn just one sentence every day. Today's sentence is, can you say that again, please?
Boom. Super useful. You can use it everywhere. Let's practice. Say it with me. Can you say that again, please?
Now slower. Can you say that again, please?
Nice. Fire. Listen carefully. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need big words.
You just need daily action. Even a little, because small steps become big success.
So don't say, I will study 2 hours on Saturday. No, that's boring. You'll quit.
Instead say, I will learn 20 minutes today.
Yes, today, not tomorrow. Today is the best day to start. All right, let's make this super easy. We're going to show you exactly what to do in 20 minutes. No stress, no books, no boring grammar stuff, just learning that feels real.
Here's the plan. Your 20 minutes are divided into 4 parts. 5 minutes, listen. 5 minutes, speak. 5 minutes, read. 5 minutes, review.
Boom, simple. 4 activities, 5 minutes each. Let's break it down.
Listening first. Why? Because when you listen, your brain learns naturally, like a baby learning a language.
And no, you don't need perfect listening. Just listen to real English, like short podcasts, YouTube videos, simple stories, easy conversations.
Here's what you do for 5 minutes. Just listen. Don't translate. Don't pause. Don't think too much.
Let the English enter your brain like music.
Now we talk. Yes, even if you are alone, talk to yourself. It's not crazy. It's practice.
Repeat aloud what you heard. For example, you listen to, how are you today? So you speak out loud.
I speak, how are you today? You answer, I'm good. You answer again, I'm fine. You answer again, not bad.
Boom, you just practiced a real conversation.
Now, read something small. Not a big book, just a short piece. Like a message, a small paragraph, a story sentence.
You read slowly. Understand the idea. Not every word, just the idea.
Now, you check what you learned. Ask yourself, what new word did I learn? Can I say one sentence? Did I understand something today?
If your answer is yes, even one thing, you win. You are learning.
Let's do a quick example together.
Today's sentence. Where do you live?
Listen. 5 minutes. You hear, where do you live?
Speak. Repeat. Where do you live? And answer, I live in your city.
Read. You read a text like, I live in New York. It is a big city.
Review. Ask, what did I learn? Answer, I learned the question, where do you live? I can answer, I live in...
Boom. Done. 20 minutes. Easy, real, useful.
Listen, don't try to learn everything in one day. Just learn one useful thing every day.
1 sentence a day equals 365 sentences in a year. That's a lot.
And you will speak without fear, because you build your English like bricks, one by one.
Okay, listen up, friends. Many English learners have fear. Fear to speak, fear to make mistakes, fear to look stupid.
But guess what? Americans make mistakes too. We mess up all the time. We say crazy stuff like,
I ain't got no money.
bruh, that's wild.
Give me that thingy. I don't know the name.
See? English speakers are not perfect, so why should you be perfect?
Here's the secret. Speak first, correct later.
Say it with us. Speak first, correct later.
Nice. Mistakes are good. Mistakes equal learning. Mistakes equal progress.
When a baby learns to walk, they fall. Do we yell at the baby?
No, baby, bad walking.
Of course not. We cheer and clap.
So when you make a mistake, don't say, I'm stupid. Say, I'm learning.
This trick is powerful. It's called copy talk.
Copy talk means you copy the way people speak. Not grammar books, not long vocabulary lists. Just copy real English speech.
Example. You hear an American say, "What's up?" You answer, "Not much." Boom. Easy. Real. Natural.
I say a sentence. You copy it. Ready? How's it going? Pause for learners to repeat.
Answer. Pretty good. Pause for learners to repeat.
Another one. What's your name?
Pause for learners to repeat.
Answer. My name is...
Pause for learners to repeat.
One more. Nice to meet you.
Pause for learners to repeat.
Answer. Nice to meet you too.
Boom. You just spoke American English. Simple, real, useful.
Some people say, but I have nobody to talk to.
Bruh. Talk to your mirror. Talk to your phone. Talk to your cat. Talk to your food.
Yes, talk to your pizza. Hello, pizza. I love you.
Talking alone is not crazy. It's smart.
Because every time you speak, your brain gets stronger.
You don't need perfect grammar to speak. You need confidence.
You don't need 1,000 words. You need simple, useful words.
You don't need big study time. You need daily 20 minutes.
Don't try to be perfect. Just try to be better than yesterday.
All right, people. This part is going to be fun. We're giving you real conversations. Simple, short, natural. Not robot textbook English. Real American English.
Exactly. Every conversation will help you talk in real life, even if your English is basic.
Hi there. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like this, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay. The total is $5.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thanks. Have a nice day. Hey, what's your name?
I'm Jason. What's your name?
I'm Julia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. And you?
I'm from the U.S. Hi. What would you like?
A burger, please.
Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
All right. Do you want a drink?
Yes, a soda, please.
I'd like this. please.
Nice to meet you.
Burger, please.
Where are you from?
Boom. If you said even one sentence, you spoke English today.
Don't try to make big sentences. Small ones are great. For example, don't say, "Can you kindly provide me with additional information regarding your current location?" That's too much. Say, "Where are you?"
Simple English is clear English. Native speakers use simple English too. All right, fam. Now you're going to get a real-life daily plan. Not boring, not complicated. Just something you can do every single day.
Remember our rule? 20 minutes. That's it. Here's your daily routine. Listen to a short video, a small podcast, or a simple conversation. You can use easy podcasts, YouTube channels for beginners, short English clips.
Just listen. Don't translate. Let English flow, like music.
Repeat what you heard. Say it out loud. Copy the accent. Copy the sound. Example, you hear, "How are you?" You say, "How are you?" "I'm fine." "I'm good."
Boom, you're speaking English.
Read something simple, a short story, a message, a small paragraph.
Don't read big books. Small reading is better at the start. Ask yourself, what new word did I learn? Can I say one sentence today? Did I understand something new?
If your answer is yes, you win today.
Here are free apps that help you with simple English. Duolingo, easy practice. Cake, real speaking practice. Hello Talk, talk with people. YouTube, free lessons.
And remember, apps are tools. The real work is you.
When you watch YouTube, don't watch fast videos. Search for English Listening for Beginners, Easy English Conversation, Basic English Speaking Practice.
And repeat out loud. Don't just watch, talk.
Here's the truth. Learning English is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent.
One sentence a day. One new word a day. One small win a day.
Small wins become big results. Like tiny drops become the ocean.
Don't say, "I can't speak English." Say, "I'm learning English."
Don't say, my English is bad. Say, my English is growing.
Don't say, "I'm scared." Say, "I'm trying."
Because trying is winning. And today, you're winning. All right, fam, this is the grand finale. You made it this far, so listen carefully. You can improve your English fast, but only if you love the process.
Yes, stop thinking English is a school subject. Think of English like a game, a song, a way to make friends, a superpower.
Exactly. Don't study English only for exams. Study English for your life.
Simple rule, guys. Learn what you enjoy. Do you like music? Learn English from songs. Do you like games? Learn English from games. Do you like movies? Learn English from movies. Do you like travel? Learn English from travel videos.
When you love what you're learning, your brain says, yo, this is fun. Let's learn more.
Repeat after us.
Guys, repeat after us.
1. How are you? 2. I'm fine, thanks. 3. What's your name?
4. Nice to meet you.
5. Where are you from?
6. Can you say that again?
7. I don't understand. 8. What does this mean?
9. Can you help me?
10. I'd like this, please.
11. How much is it?
12. What time is it?
13. Excuse me.
14. No problem.
15. Just a little, please.
16. That's great.
17. Really?
18. I love it.
19. Let's go.
20. See you later.
If you learn these 20 sentences deeply, dude, your English immediately becomes real.
Here's our special challenge for you. For 7 days, do this. 20 minutes every day. Listen 5 minutes, speak 5 minutes, read 5 minutes, review 5 minutes. And record your voice for 1 minute. Just speak. Say anything you learned.
Don't worry if it's not perfect. Just record it. You are building confidence.
After 7 days, you will feel more confident, better listening, better speaking, and more motivation.
You are not bad at English. You are just starting your journey.
And every journey starts with small steps. Your 20 minutes today is a step toward your dream.
Believe this. You can speak English.
Not someday, not next year, but now. Every day you speak a little, every day you listen a little, every day you learn something small, you're speaking English already.
If you enjoyed learning today, make sure you subscribe to our channel.
Hit that like button, share with your English friends.
We're here for you every week to make English real, simple, and fun.
Thanks for listening, thanks for learning, and remember, speak first, correct later.
We love you guys. Keep learning.
Stay awesome. See you next time. Bye.